Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up and initialize a brand new SSD or hard drive for your Windows laptop or PC. So let's go ahead and get started. So do keep in mind that the process that I'm about to show you is what you have to follow once you install your SSD into your motherboard and boot up your Windows. So when you first boot up into Windows, the SSD will not actually appear inside of it. So if you open this PC, you'll see that the new SSD is not available and you only have the default one shows up, the new one does not. So we're gonna fix that real quick. So all you need to do is first head to the taskbar, and on the Windows icon, just right click, and from the list just select disk management, open it up, and the moment you open up disk management you should see this tab open up by default which says initialize disk. So first we're going to be initializing our disk. So here all you need to do is select the disk from the drop down list, and from the settings here you need to leave them to the default ones, which is GPT, and then just go ahead and press OK. And once you do that, the disk should get initialized, and it will still not appear in the list on this PC. So now what we need to do is create a volume. To do that, all you need to do is right click on the drive, and you'll see this option which is new simple volume. Just press on that, and then you will see the new simple volume wizard pop up. Here just click on next, and in the simple volume size just let this be the default one, and if you want to make sure that you're using the maximum size that can be allocated on your drive, just press on the up arrow a few times, and this is the maximum size that can be allocated for my drive. So I'm gonna leave it right there and click on next, and over here you can assign a letter for your drive. So like here, as you can see, it's local disk C, the default one. So I'm going to be choosing R, and then just go ahead and press on next. So these options right here, you need to leave them to what they are by default. So the file system will be NTFS, the allocation unit size will be default, and the volume label is the name of the disk. So you can set this to whatever you want. I'm going to be setting this to secondary drive, and then you need to select the perform a quick format option right here, the file and folder compression. I'm just going to leave this unchecked, and then just click on next, and this should complete the new simple volume wizard. The process hasn't been done yet. This is a summary of all the settings that you have applied to the new volume. So just make sure that your settings are correct, and once you have verified, just click on finish. And now the drive should be formatted and it should get allocated. So if we head back to this PC, the drive now appears in the list, as you can see, and it has the exact size that was visible in the wizard. So that's 931 GB. And as you can see, the drive is completely empty. It's a brand new fresh drive. Here our disk allocation and setup is completed, but next what we need to do is download the right firmware and drivers for our SSD or hard drive. So all you need to do is look for the model number of your drive. So it should be on the back of the package that the drive arrived in, or you can even look it up on the Amazon listing if you have bought your drive online. So once you have your model number, just head to your browser. So head to your browser and enter your model number, and make sure to add firmware at the end, and just press enter. And over here, as you can see, the SSD firmware and support is available. So I'm just gonna open this tab real quick, and over here as you can see, we have the NVMe SSD driver available. So just click on the SSD driver, and here it has finished downloading. Once the download is complete, all you need to do is look for the file, look for the folder, and just extract the file, the zip file. And over here you can see the installer. So just left click, and in the wizard just follow the instructions and install the driver. In my case, I have it installed, so I don't need to do it again. But for you, you'll have to install the driver and restart the system. And once you have done that, the drive should work properly, and it should be working at its maximum speed. So that is pretty much it for this video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.